This video is to show you one of our offensive plays. Again, this is an offensive play, meaning we have the ball and we're trying to score. First of all, we set up our offense, and this play is called the pick 45. Again, pick 45. 45 are the players that are going to be setting up the pick. Pick is also another word for block, so you can say block 45, but in basketball we use the word pick, so we're going to use pick 45 to illustrate this play. So we set up our offense. Player 1 is dribbling the ball at the top over the three-point line. Players 4 and 5 move in for a pick. Again, you can see the arrows where they're moving. They're going to move in to the outside of the defensive players. You're moving on to the outside of the defensive player, which is shown as an X. Players 2 and 3 do a quick move inside to move their defensive players in. That way 4 and 5 can set up the picks on their outside shoulder. So 2 and 3 move in real quick and then move out towards the sidelines. Player 1 will pass to number 2. Once they've moved out, player 1, you must make sure that that pass is to the outside of number 2 or to the sideline. It cannot be to the inside, because then the defensive player might have a chance at stealing it or at least blocking it. So once player 1 passes to player 2, and there you see the block from players 4 and 5, that is the pick from 4 and 5. So again, this is the pick 45. That prevents that player who was defending or guarding player 2 or guarding player 3 to catch up to them. So you have clear path to go around them. You go around player 2, you go around player 4, player 3, you go around player 5. After the ball is being moved, player 2 has a smooth entrance to get a layup, or at least a clear path to get a layup, or a mid jumper. In other words, a short jump shot. You can shoot it from right there, or you can pass it to number 3 or number 5 who have moved in for a rebound or to accept a pass. If players 3 and 5 are wide open, you can pass it to them. But if you're open as the player number 2 handling the ball, then you take the shot or you take the layup. The only way you will make a pass is if they're more open than you are. Once you take your shot, everybody is moving in for the rebound, and also player 1 slides back to prevent a fast break in case they get a rebound, and all other players must run back into their defensive positions.